Lot number 140 is a 2004 Bluebird All-American school bus. This is a 72 passenger school bus. It's got the diesel cat engine. Body looks good. It's got a couple of scrapes on the passenger side. Along the bottom you can see them. It's got tinted windows. The tinted windows look good. The city decals have been painted over. The paint looks dull, but the body is nice and straight, except for these scrapes that it has on the passenger side. It's got one small one on the driver's side. I'll show you. This rear corner is dented. Motor sounds good. It's been running for about an hour. It's not overheated. Both AC compressors are missing the belt. So I'm unable to test the AC system inside. It does blow warm. I don't know if it just needs the belts. Motor sounds good. The rear bumper looks good. Doesn't have much damage outside. Driver's side has a small scrape right here, and that's it. Everything else is very minor, normal wear and tear. This one has two ACs mounted on the roof inside. One of them blows warm. The front one blows warm. The back one does nothing. The seats, overall, they look good, but they're moldy and dirty. A couple of them are torn. And a little damage over here. A couple of them have a couple little holes. But overall, they're not broken. They're just really dirty. A lot of mold in here. Here's the driver's seat. It's got a couple of cracks around the sides, but still looks pretty good. The steering wheel, very dirty, a lot of mold. All the gauges appear to be working. It's got 157,000 miles. Alright, and that's it. It's a Bluebird 72 passenger All-American school bus. It's lot number 140. Good luck.